How you guys feeling? Oh yes, nanalasa pa rin ang bagyong Maymay. Hindi tayo pipigilan. Siyempre, there's nothing could ever stop here in this weakness of this weather. Well, anyways, welcome to Musical Podcast. Siyempre, ako lang yung kasama niyo, Luna Lily Love. What's up, the one mates? How you guys feeling? Well, syempre, napaaga ang premiere kasi today is Thursday. Thursday's the day. Syempre, I'm excited. But mamaya, I will be returning to the party room after a quick long break. So, anyways, check ko muna yung premiere time natin. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited kasi 2 hours pa lang nag-i-start. I'm so excited. Syempre, ako lang nauna dito. So, sinabi ko lang, attendance check lang to. Charet! Attendance check lang yan para sa Starmates. But, yeah. Do you wanna tell me a story? Okay, so I started singing when I was 4 years old. And now, I was 4 years old, I start dancing. Pinagturuan nila kung paano sayawin yung budots. But now, I was 21 years old. That's just me. I've joined this group of dancers who came with us. But now, I finally shined because people say dancing is my whiz. Diba? Syempre, if you want to be a good dancer, just like me, syempre, don't worry, DJ Honeybee is definitely your official dance teacher. Pagtuturuan ka niya kung paano ka talaga sumayaw. Syempre, magaling lang nagbibilang. Syempre, marunong magbibilang. Syempre, yung iba, si ate, freelance choreographer, syempre, DJ pa rin. Marunong sumayaw. Syempre, nabuo na namin yung group dance namin. Kasi, we love dancing with every single beat that comes from your heart and mind and your soul. Siyempre, hindi ko pa nababasa yung kinoment sa akin ni DJ Sting. Matagal pa kasi yung nag-comment sa akin eh. Siyempre, yeah, nag-notice sa akin. So it says, keep dancing, keep vibing, and never stop letting the music move you. Music doesn't age, it evolves. Every decade has a heartbeat, and when you feel it, you are connected to every moment that came before. Oh, diba? Well, thank you so much, DJ Sting, for your exact comment. Well, syempre, we are so excited. But later, I will see you in 7 o'clock in the evening tonight. And I will sing a few more songs before decades of sounds from classics to now. We will start soon. So, 7 o'clock is, I don't know, Thursday Club Banger Showdown. Syempre, showdown ata to ah. So, whether if you're excited, if you want to dance with me while I'm singing, syempre, the stage is yours. So, kung gusto nila mag-tasking, mag-queue up na lang sila ng mga songs. Syempre, for club banger showdown only. Syempre, dapat iba-ibahin yung genre. Like electronic dance music, house music, or disco. Sige, pwede lang. Kahit ano. So, syempre, it's Thursday. Today is Thursday, August 6, 46 minutes past 4 o'clock in the afternoon today. And I will sing you these two songs that I prepared before. Yes! Syempre, you're still excited to listen here on the 1206 AM. Decades of sounds. From classics to now, together with DJ Sting. And also me as your guest dancer. Happy tasking, everyone!